In this upcoming episode, I'm going to be talking about the dangers of BCC. Now, in previous videos, I talked about how nice it is to protect emails, and when you're sending a group email and you're protecting a lot of people's email addresses and different things like that. But in this video, we're talking about the dangers and how you can protect yourself. Number one, it can feel sneaky. If a recipient finds out you blind copied someone, it can come across as sneaky or even dishonest. Number two, it breaks transparency. When you use BCC, people may wonder, who else saw this email? And that question alone can create mistrust. Number three, there's no easy follow-up. If a BCC recipient replies, it can confuse the whole conversation. They might even hit reply all by mistake and accidentally reveal they were blind copied. Number four, there's also the risk of misuse. If you lean on BCC too often, coworkers may start questioning why you aren't being open about who's in the loop. And finally, there's a potential for errors. It's easy to make mistakes, like accidentally putting someone in BCC who should have been in CC. That slip can create awkward misunderstandings. So yes, while BCC has its pros, it also has its cons. Because how would you feel if you're communicating back and forth with someone thinking that it's only for their eyes only, all to find out that 5 or 6 people in your office were in the loop? And there you are expressing your feelings, talking all about what you believe about this topic, all to the tune of other people are listening in. That's not a good feeling. So the one way that you can protect yourself is this. You can stop putting it in writing. That's right. I have decided that when I'm communicating information, if I don't mind if other people hear what I have to say in writing, then I would, by all means, talk about it in that forum or in that manner. But if I don't want other people, getting that information, that communication, and hearing what I have to say, then I'm not going to put it in writing. And this is what a lot of people will do. They will refuse to put certain things in writing, and that is how you protect yourself. I've worked with people in the past that they will put it in writing because they're trying to document a specific issue or situation, and they want people to know exactly what they said and how the conversation is flowing. But if you're saying some things to individuals that you think that you don't want other people to know about, then refrain from putting it in writing and just use that for a sidebar conversation. So again, BCC can be used for things that are for a good thing, which is protecting email addresses so that you don't show everyone's email address to strangers. But it can also cause harm where you're bringing other people into an otherwise private conversation. I hope this information helps you to make up your mind whether or not you're going to use BCC, and also whether or not you are going to put your private thoughts in a conversation that could otherwise be shared with someone else. This is Lady C. Please leave your comments below because I would love to hear your experiences on how you've used BCC and how it's also been used as a weapon against you. And I'll see you on the next one.